Welcome to Best Choice. The best Celestron lenses is probably one of the most crucial components for any aspiring astronomer. In this video, we're diving deep into the world of Celestron telescope lenses, exploring the different types, their specifications, and how they impact your view of the cosmos. Whether you're a seasoned stargazer or just starting out, understanding these lenses is key to unlocking the full potential of your telescope and enhancing your celestial adventures. Number 5. Celestron 1.25-inch Eyepiece and Filter Kit. This kit includes 5 1.25 plossal eyepieces. They offer a range of magnification options. You can have versatile astronomical observation with them. A 2x Barlow lens is also included. It doubles the magnification of each eyepiece. This offers a wider range of viewing possibilities. The plossal design ensures sharp, clear images. It provides excellent contrast. This enhances your overall viewing experience. It comes with 6 colored filters. These filters enhance specific details when you are observing. You can see more details with it. A padded aluminum carrying case is included. It provides secure storage and easy transport. This keeps all the components safe. What we like. This kit offers a wide range of magnification options, perfect for exploring the cosmos. The included filters enhance specific details, making celestial objects pop. If you're looking for a comprehensive set to start your astronomical journey, this is the perfect choice. What people say. The lenses fit nicely on my Celestron StarSense DX130AZ telescope and the quality is very good. I have been able to configure lenses and filters to get some really good viewing. As far as correct lenses, very fine quality, easy to assemble or combine, different filters are for different type of exposure. There are 6 different sizes and each have their magnification for different views. Number 4. Celestron 8 to 24mm Zoom Eyepiece. This eyepiece allows you to instantly change magnification. It zooms from 8mm to 24mm, letting you find the perfect view for your target. Easily adjust the focal length to get the best view. Whether you want a wide field of view or a closer look, this eyepiece has you covered. The 1.25 barrel fits most telescopes. It is designed to work with a wide range of telescopes, making it a great addition to your collection. The lenses are fully multi-coated for better performance. These coatings improve color, contrast, and brightness, giving you a clearer view. Buy with confidence from Celestron. It comes with a 2-year US warranty and support from their team of experts. What we like. This zoom eyepiece lets you effortlessly adjust magnification. Its fully multi-coated optics ensure bright and clear views. If you value convenience and clarity in your observations, this eyepiece is a must-have. What people say. This eyepiece was a joy to use, excellent eye relief. Very nice images. Yeah, the clarity is great, zoom range is huge, clarity excellent. Image quality and details are excellent. The zoom is smooth and requires minimal refocusing when changing powers. Objects appeared very sharp and clear. Number 3. Celestron X-Cel LX3X Barlow Lens. This Barlow lens triples the magnification of any 1.25-inch eyepiece. It provides a closer view of celestial objects. You'll see enhanced detail and clarity. With fully multi-coated optics, you'll experience exceptional image quality. This ensures maximum light transmission and minimal distortion. The views are bright, sharp, and high contrast. Enjoy extended observing sessions with generous eye relief. This allows comfortable viewing distances. It's especially beneficial for those who wear eyeglasses. The 1.25-inch barrel is threaded to accept standard eyepiece filters. This lets you easily enhance your observations. You can reduce glare and increase contrast for optimal viewing. Crafted with high-quality materials, this Barlow lens is built to last. It provides years of reliable performance. It also offers protection for your valuable telescope accessories. What we like. This Barlow lens triples the magnification of your eyepieces. Its superior optical quality ensures sharp, high-contrast views. If you want to get closer to the action and enjoy comfortable viewing sessions, this is the ideal accessory. What people say. When I swapped for the new one, I couldn't believe how the new Barlow was that much better than the stock Barlow. The clarity and field of view is amazing. The image was so crisp and beautiful that it really made me wonder where all the hate for Barlows comes from in the first place. Number 2. Celestron Omni Series 40mm Eyepiece. Introducing the Celestron Omni Series Eyepiece. This eyepiece offers a quality optical design at an affordable price. The design ensures clear and sharp views. It's perfect for observing celestial objects with great detail. The rubber eye cups provide comfort during observation. You can use them up or fold them down, even with eyeglasses. The beautiful matte aluminum barrels and blackened lens edges prevent internal reflections. This enhances the contrast to the images. The 1.25-inch barrels are threaded to accept filters. This allows you to customize your viewing experience. What we like. This eyepiece offers a quality plossal design at an affordable price. The rubber eye cups provide comfort and increase contrast. If you are a beginner and want to experience the joy of astronomy without breaking the bank, this is a great option. What people say. The view is incredibly clear, and the field of view is very wide. It's definitely beginner-friendly, and the 40mm size made for wonderfully bright images. Good for wide field observing and is sharp out to the field edges. Number 1. Celestron 2.5x Luminos Barlow Lens. This is the Celestron 2.5x Luminos Barlow lens. It's designed to increase the magnification of your eyepieces. With this, you can see the details more clearly. This Barlow lens increases the magnification of any 2 or 1.25 eyepiece by 2.5 times. It effectively multiplies the power of your existing eyepieces, giving you more viewing options. It features high-quality 4-element optics. This design produces a flat field, ensuring sharp images without unwanted color distortions. You'll enjoy clear and detailed views. The lens has a hard anodized aluminum barrel. It's threaded to accept 2 filters, allowing for customization. The robust construction ensures it will last. It includes a brass compression ring to hold eyepieces securely. Large thumbscrews make it easy to adjust, even with gloves. Plus, a 2 to 1.25 adapter is included for versatility. The included adapter allows you to use both 2 and 1.25 eyepieces. This provides flexibility, letting you use a wide range of eyepieces with this Barlow lens. What we like. This Barlow lens boosts magnification by 2.5x. Its high-quality optics produce sharp images. If you have a telescope with 2-inch eyepieces or want to use both 2 and 1.25 eyepieces, this is a great choice. What people say. If you can afford a teleview, do it. If not, the Celestron Luminos is the best bang you can get for your buck. 4 elements. This thing is not only gorgeous for visual observation, but it's outstanding for astrophotography. Great close-ups of Jupiter, perfect clarity, perfect flattening across the lens with no awkward edge distortion. Weight. The Barlow is not heavy. Weight is similar to a typical eyepiece if not lighter. Build quality. Quality is quite acceptable. I would call it good. Exterior is polished metal with a rubber friction ring for grip and handling. Optically acceptable, clear images, not distorted. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.